Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert a JPG image to a PDF file. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, you need to go to this website. I will leave the link in the description. Don't worry, it's completely free. The site is ilovepdf.com/jpg to PDF. Now here you can click on select JPG images to upload your file from desktop or your folder. Also you can drag it and drop it here. You can also select it from Google Drive by clicking here or upload it from Dropbox. So for me I will just click on select JPG images. Click on it and let's choose a JPG image. This one. Click open. And as you can see, you can choose between portrait and landscape. As you can see, you can select the size you want and the margin. You can choose no margin, with small margin, and with big margin. Just look here, click on each one, and you can see the difference between all of them. And you can select this if you have multiple images. Then click on convert to PDF. Then as you can see here, download PDF. You can just click on it and you can download your PDF. Click on start download, click on open, and as you can see, this image is now a PDF file. You can also share it on Google Drive, Dropbox, or share it as a link. Of course, also you can delete it now. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.